Fed meeting press conference. Key takeaways. The labor market has come into better balance. We are maintaining our restrictive stance. We are attentive to risk on both sides of the dual mandate. Growth of consumer spending remains solid but has slowed. Investment in the housing sector stalled in the second quarter. The unemployment rate remained low. Data suggests the labor market has returned to where it was on the eyes of the pandemic. A board set of labor market indicator show it is strong but not overheated. Inflation remains somewhat above 2% goal. Longer term inflation expectation appear well anchored. As labor market has cooled, inflation has declined and risks have continued to move into the better balance. We need greater confidence on inflation. Second quarter inflation reading have added to confidence our confidence. We will carefully assess incoming data for future decision. We will take action that promote our dual goal. The policy is well positioned to deal with the dual mandate risk. We have made on decision about future meeting. Board sense of FOMC is we are moving closer. We are data dependent but not data point dependent. The question will be if the totality of data is consistent with the rising confidence on inflation and job rate cut could be on the table in September. We are getting closer to being at point to reduce rates. No quite at that point yet. Upside risk to inflation have decreased. Downside risk the employment mandate are really now. There was a real discussion about the case of reducing rates at this meeting. Strong majority supported not moving rates at the meeting. Policy lags beginning to show up and economy over last 6 months. We do not change our approach according to political calendar. We never use our tools to support of oppose a politician of party. We would never to try make policy decision based on the outcome of an election that has not happened yet. The time is approaching for a rate cut. Change chances of head landing are low.